In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello for event planning. By the end, you'll have a clean, collaborative board that keeps every task, date, and detail in one place. First, open your browser and head to Trello. Once you're in, look for the Boards section. This is the hub where all your projects live, and it's the quickest way to create something new. Go ahead and open Boards, then choose Create New Board. This starts a fresh canvas just for your event. You'll be prompted to customize a few basics. Pick a background that fits your event's vibe. Color or photo is fine, it just helps the board feel intentional. Next, add a clear descriptive board title so everyone instantly knows what this board is for. Something like Event Planning works well, and you can always refine it later. Now set where the board will live. Click the Workspace selector and make sure it's assigned to the right workspace for your team. If you see the workspace name more than once, just confirm the correct one is selected. Then choose the visibility that matches your needs. You can preview private for a board only you or invited members can see, public if you need full transparency, or workspace to keep it shared internally with your team. For most event projects, workspace visibility strikes a good balance, so select that before moving on. If you'd like a head start on structure, choose Start with a template. Templates often include lists like to do, doing, and done, which are perfect for event workflows. When you're happy with the setup, click Create to spin up the board. Let's add tasks. In your first list, click plus add a card and type bridal car rent. Add a second card for buy church flowers. Keeping task names short and action-focused makes them easy to scan during busy planning days. Next, jump to your doing list. Click it to focus, then click plus add a card and type hire videographer. This separates immediate in-progress work from upcoming tasks. Open the hire videographer card to give it some visual priority. Click labels. Pick a color that represents urgency or category, and apply it. Labels help you scan the board at a glance. Close the card when you're done for now. Open bridal car rent to add timing. Click dates, select the 30th on the calendar, and save. Assigning dates early helps avoid last-minute scrambles and keeps vendor timelines aligned. While you're here, click labels and choose a red label, or whichever color you use for time-sensitive items. Close the card. On the board, mark the bridal car rent due date complete. This is a fast way to show progress and keep your timeline accurate once a task is finished or a milestone is hit. Reopen Hire Videographer to review what's next or to prep details like outreach notes or confirmed availability later on. When bridal car rent moves from planning to active coordination, drag that card from your first list into doing. This simple gesture updates your workflow and helps everyone see what's currently in motion without extra status meetings. Finally, click Share to get a link you can send to your team, stakeholders, or vendors who need visibility. Sharing keeps everyone aligned on priorities, deadlines, and responsibilities without constant back and forth. That's it. You've created a Trello board, customized the look and visibility, added key event tasks, labeled important items, scheduled a due date, marked it complete, moved work through your pipeline, and shared the board for collaboration. Use concise titles, consistent labels, and clear due dates to keep your event plan tight, and revisit the board regularly to move cards as progress evolves. With this setup, Trello becomes your single source of truth from kickoff to wrap-up.